You wake up on Mars, inside a sealed room. Even the way you rise here feels different, lighter, quieter. First, you check the habitat system, oxygen, water recovery, pressure, power. Even washing your face feels different here. Every drop is recycled, controlled, and precious. Breakfast comes from life grown indoors, raised under artificial light. Beyond the habitat is a world of near vacuum, freezing temperatures, and fine electrostatic dust. Then you drift into the city, just glowing corridors, floating bodies, and a civilization built inward. People hover past stalls selling smart fabrics, oxygen filters, tiny plants, and fresh produce glowing like treasure. Work on Mars looks futuristic, but it follows one simple rule: keep the city alive. In a world this harsh, even lunch can look beautiful. With gravity so light, games feel different. Higher jumps, slower falls, longer moments in the air. At night, the city glows again, enclosed markets inside a fully maintained environment.
That fruit just arrived from the lower domes. Freshest you'll find on Mars.
Back inside, the difference feels immediate. Pressurized air, stable temperature, filtered water, artificial light, shared meals, and human voices. Mars is beautiful, but without technology it is completely hostile to human life.